Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today we are installing a Velit 24V rooftop AC unit.
We are so excited to finally have AC in the van. For those of you who don't know, we're on the East Coast, the Southeast to be exact, and it is so hot here. So I'm ready for this thing.
What makes this install a little more difficult is that we already have our ceiling in. So we're kind of having to retrofit this unit. We're gonna see how it goes. We initially weren't going to do a rooftop AC, and so we kind of changed our minds. We're gonna have to work with the ceiling that's already in. So wish us luck.
Let's get started.
Let's get to work. So what I'm doing now, I'm just kind of brainstorming because what we're battling is where our solar panels end, and then we have this much space basically for the AC unit. But we have our light here, we have a light here, and there's a beam, the metal beam that's in the van right here. So it's like, do I have enough room to put the AC here, if the solar panels are back further, or am I going to put it here and cut out the beam? We'll possibly lose this light or that light. Alright, so I'm thinking that it's going to go like this. I think that would look the best. I think it'll be a little more work. But the thing is finding this space up there.
I don't know how you're going to do that.
Right, so I'm wondering if I drill a hole, a hole, and then drill another hole through the roof. So it's like if I screw a hole or drill a hole through the ceiling, then that's my reference point.
Yeah. Alright, well.
Figure out where my lights and the wire is.
What's the best way to do it? Oh,
You got it? Okay, I don't know what's on the bottom. Okay, I need you to stand here and I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna move my arm on the ceiling, and you're gonna tell me whereabouts the solar panel ends.
Oh, Brandon.
I just need an estimate. When I get here, it's like, that's it, and then I'm gonna mark.
Alright.
Use your judgment.
Okay. That way. That way. That way. That way. Yeah?
Right there.
Maybe a little bit further in that one.
So we have like 39.5 inches. I underestimate how much space we actually had up here. For some reason I thought we had more. So I think this placement is going to determine where that hole lands. So really we have 38 inches. So we'll have 2 inches to spare. If I put the unistrut here, 1.5 inches, put an inch, so 2.5 inches is where the AC, front of the AC is going to land. Then 2.5 plus whatever from the edge of the AC to the edge of the flange. Okay. 5.5, right there. Boom. 5.5. Okay, 2 inches. No. 7 inches off that here. we have 19 3/4, and clearance we need 18 1/4. So. Getting nervous because the beam's anywhere, it's like right here, so that might be it. How do we get it off the beam? Because it's like glued on.
Oh, yikes. There she is.
All right, so we got the hole cut out, and like I said, we did end up having to cut through one of the beams, and this is the wood support that the ceiling drilled into, so we're gonna have to cut this out. This is the insulation board, we're gonna have to cut that out, and then also this ceiling.
It's splitting it. Oh, bubble machine. Oh my gosh.
Golly! 527 and a half. That went fairly smoothly. Doesn't look pretty right now, but that's okay. The other issue with retrofitting this is now we have to find a way to wire the wire loom to power the AC unit. My original thought we were gonna have to cut out a channel and then rebondo this. But I think I can put a drill bit back here, because what we have is a furring strip here, you know, to attach this ceiling panel to. So I gotta drill through that in order to pass the wire through. Sweet.
The drill is stuck. on the solar panel, I'm assuming.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now. Okay, just come back your way. Okay. Okay, then
So I
now
can
we're
brace
just
on
gonna...
that. Tell me when to drop it.
You good? Forward. Alright, so went to Lowe's and had to get a long bit. Can you hold that? I'm sorry. So low.
We hope you enjoyed this install video. We absolutely love our Velit 3000R 24V AC unit. We're so excited to finally have an AC unit in the van, and all of the summer adventures we'll be able to go on with the girls. To get your own or to check out their other components, make sure you check out the link in the description below. We'll see you next time.